I am JVN Dr. Surendra Kumar Srivastav from the Department of Science under the Faculty of Education and Methodology. Today we will discuss the degree of an algebraic element. Let K be an extension of field F. An element A belongs to K is called algebraic of degree in over F if it satisfied non-zero polynomials of degree n over f, but no non-zero polynomial of degree number of non-zero polynomial of degree less than n. Now algebraic structure. Algebraic extension. An extension capital K over the field F is called algebraic extension if every element of K over F is algebraic element if there exists small a belongs to K which is not algebraic over F, then K is called translational extension over K. Now the theorem. Let K be an extension of a field F and let small a belongs to K be an algebraic over F. Suppose A satisfies an irreducible polynomial Px in Fx, then Px must be minimal polynomial over F. Let capital M is equal to Fx such that Fx belongs to Fx, Fa is equal to 0. We shall prove that capital M is an ideal of Fx. Ideal. A non-empty subset S of a ring R, plus, dot is called ideal if S, plus is a subgroup of capital R, and second, small r belongs to capital R, small s belongs to capital S. That implies Rs belongs to capital S. For all Fx dot Gx belongs to capital M, we have Fa is equal to 0 and Ga is equal to 0. Since Sx is equal to Fx minus Gx, S of A is equal to F of A minus G of A is equal to 0 minus 0. So Sx belongs to M. For all Fx Gx belongs to capital M, that implies Fx minus Gx belongs to capital M. So M, plus is a subgroup of Fx. Now let Rx belongs to Fx, Fx belongs to capital M. Take Rx dot Fx. This is Ra Fa is equal to Ra is equal to 0. So Rx dot Fx belongs to capital M. Since capital M is the ideal of Fx, so capital M is not equal to Fx because Fx is equal to 1 belongs to Fx, but 1 does not belongs to M, so M is not equal to Fx. Since Px is irreducible polynomial in Fx, then ideal n is equal to generated by Px is maximal ideal. Px belongs to capital N since Pa is equal to 0. If for nx belongs to n, we can write nx is equal to Px dot mx. Since Na is equal to Pa dot Ma, so Na is equal to 0. That implies nx belongs to capital M since n is subset of M. Since capital M is not equal to Fx and M is subset of Fx, n is subset of M, that is n is subset of M is subset of Fx. So d of nx is greater or equal to d of Px. Since Px is maximal, that is degree of nx cannot be greater than degree x, so n is equal to m. Now let Px is not minimal polynomial for A over F, then let another polynomial Qx a degree less than degree of Px and satisfied by Q of A is equal to 0. Since Qx belongs to capital M, so Qx is equal to Px dot Rx for some Rx belongs to Fx. This result is absolute. Because degree of Gx is less than degree of Px, So our assumption that Px is not minimal is wrong, since Px is minimal polynomial in Fx satisfied by A. Now the next theorem, if K be an extension of a field capital F, then the element A belongs to K is algebraic over F if and only if Fa is finite extension of F. For proving, let Fa be a finite extension of F. To prove A belongs to K is algebraic over F, let A belongs to K. Let Fa dot F is equal to M, since Fa is a field and A belongs to Fa. So 1 comma A square and A to the power m belongs to Fa are linearly dependent element. So there will be exist scalars C0 comma C1 and so on Cn belongs to F, such that C0 plus C1a plus C2a square plus and so on plus Cm a to the power m is equal to 0. That implies A satisfied a polynomial C0 plus C1x plus C2x square plus and so on Cm x to the power n belongs to Fx. That implies A is an algebraic element over F. Hence the first part is proved. Now for the conversely part, let A belongs to K is algebraic over F. To prove Fa is finite extension of F, let Px is a polynomial of lowest degree over F such that Pa is equal to 0. Let degree Px is equal to n, since A belongs to K is algebraic over F of degree n. Since Fa is equal to C0 plus C1a plus C2a square plus and so on Cn minus 1 a to the power n minus 1, since C0 comma C1 and so on Cn belongs to F. Since Fa is vector space over the field capital F generated by spanned by 1 comma A square and so on a to the power n minus 1. These elements of Fa are also linearly independent, since C0 plus C1a plus C2a square plus and so on Cn minus 1 a to the power n minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, is satisfied the polynomial Qx is equal to C0 plus C1x plus C2x square plus and so on. That implies Qx must be 0 polynomial, otherwise Px will not be minimal polynomial satisfied by A. That implies C0 is equal to C1 is equal to C2 is equal to C of n minus 1 is equal to 0. That implies 1 comma A square and a to the power n minus 1 are linearly independent. So f is equal to n, which is finite. So Fa is finite extension of F. Proof. Since okay, thank you.